Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got something a little bit special for you guys. So this is as you can see, a Nissan Skyline R34. It's V-Spec, so this is one of the later ones. We've been told this is one of only 15 vehicles produced in this spec. It's also a very special under the bonnet S-Tune system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the audio upgrade that we've done. This involves basically a full Audison setup with front three-way mids and tweeters, and also a 12-channel amplifier to run everything. So I'll talk you through everything now. Right, so let's talk through the products that we fitted in this vehicle. So on the scheme of things, this was quite an easy upgrade, i.e. it was just front speakers and rear speakers. However, the customer really wants a hi-fi experience, so this is why we've gone with the brand new Audison Voce 2. What we've done is we fitted the 12-channel Voce, the 12-channel Prima amplifier, the Forza Prima amplifier. We've changed the stereo to the Kenwood navigation, so this is DNX 9190 DABs. Then we've fitted the Audison coaxes in the rear, so the Audison Voce coaxes in the rear, the brand new ones. These are hi-fi certified. Then we've fitted the the Voce 2 woofers in the front doors. This was quite a tricky installation. We needed to do quite a bit of modification to make an adapter to fit these in, and we've also angled them. As you'll see, we've done some tweeter pods, and there's some pods in there for the mid-range. These are all on axis, and we wanted to angle the door woofers again to give you the best possible sound. And then we've used the Audison Voce 2 mids and tweeters, and these just fit perfectly in the vehicle, give a very, very, very hi-fi sounding installation, and this just works well. And like I said, this vehicle really has benefited from this upgrade. So I'll show you inside the vehicle now. Again, as you can see, absolutely mint, this vehicle. As you can see, the door cards there, ton of leather and Alcantara in this vehicle. Again, we've never seen something with this high spec interior. As you can see there, it's absolutely fantastic. And this had a system many years ago done, but obviously it's been brought up to the modern standards now with the fantastic sounding Audison Voce 2. So we've put the 6.5-inch woofer in the door. We've done a custom build to mount the tweeter, and then there's A-pillar builds, as you can see there and there, for the mid and tweeter. And we've also done a Kenwood navigation screen, stock location. This, as you may know, on these, sometimes it's tricky to make it finish and fit flush. We've done a really fantastic job of doing that. But the main thing with this vehicle was to make it in keeping, so it works with the factory look, because again, we don't want to ruin a survivor car like this. I mean, the value of these vehicles is just astronomical at the moment, and again, one of such high spec and in such good condition as this really is one to have. So I'm going to show you some of the other bits that we've done now. Okay, so we're now in the boot area, and the customer wanted nothing changed, and as you can see, guys, absolutely everything just as it came to us. The battery is located in this side panel here. We have upgraded the earths and the connections on the battery just to make things better, because again, Nissan don't put particularly big cables on. I'll show you the rest of the stuff that we're doing now. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle. So these are the A-pillar and tweeter builds that's in the vehicle. As you can see, these are on a fantastic angle to give you the hi-fi experience that the customer's wanting. And again, inside the vehicle, there's the Kenwood stereo, which I'll show you shortly. You can just see there, these fit absolutely fantastic in, on the perfect angle to get a fantastic sound. And then the woofers are in the doors here, and again they're perfectly lined up, angled slightly, because I'll come over to the other side and show you. You can just see, it's not actually that viewable there to be fair, but the woofers themselves are, or the door pod sits out slightly, so we followed that position to get the best possible sound. So what I'll do now is I'll turn the ignition on. Okay, so the ignition's on now, so there you can see we've done a really cool boot up logo on the Kenwood screen. This Kenwood screen is the 9 series, so this has got CD, DVD, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming, DAB, inbuilt navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Just click the agree. A fantastic stereo to be fair, and again really in keeping with the vehicle. The main reason why the customer wanted this was it has high voltage pre-outs. We wanted the best possible sound in this vehicle, and that's what we've managed to achieve. So I'll now show you the rear of the vehicle. So again, you can see the custom seats there, but this if I zoom in, they're the stock location for the rear speakers. We've got our little Alderson badge on there, which looks really trick. But they finish nice, so it's really sort of a grown-up looking installation. There was a lot of work to be able to mount the speakers in the parcel shelf, because these really are quite a large woofer in there, but you can see how well they look. They just finish nice. So for further information on doing a hi-fi upgrade in your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching. Yeah, you know it. What a power plant.